Little storyteller.
Lily loved visiting Grandma's cozy kitchen. Sunlight always streamed through the window, making the flour dust dance in the air. Grandma had soft, wrinkly hands and a smile that made Lily feel like sunshine. Today, Grandma was making her famous curry puffs, little golden pockets filled with yummy potato and peas. Lily watched closely as Grandma mixed the dough, her silver bracelets jingling softly. "Grandma," Lily asked, her eyes wide, "what's the secret ingredient that makes your curry puffs so special?" Grandma chuckled, a warm, bubbly sound. "Ah, that's a secret I'll share with you today, little one." As Grandma rolled out the dough into small circles, she told Lily a funny story about a little bird who tried to steal her mangoes. Lily giggled, imagining the bird with a tiny mango in its beak. Next, Grandma spooned the yellow curry filling into the center of each dough circle. Then came the special part, folding the edges to make a pretty wavy pattern. While she folded, Grandma told Lily another story, this time about a playful puppy who chased his own tail until he got dizzy. Lily laughed, her hands trying to copy Grandma's folds. Some of her folds were wobbly, but Grandma said they were perfect in their own way. Soon the curry puffs were golden brown and smelled wonderfully spicy and warm. Lily took a bite of her own curry puff. It tasted good, but not quite as magical as Grandma's. "Grandma," she said, "mine doesn't taste exactly the same. What's the real secret ingredient?" Grandma smiled and hugged Lily. "The secret ingredient, my dear," she whispered, "is love and a little bit of silliness while you make them. When you put your heart into what you do and have fun, it always tastes better." Lily smiled, understanding now. It wasn't just about the spices or the potatoes. It was about spending time with Grandma and sharing happy moments. "Can we tell more silly stories next time we bake?" Lily asked. Grandma winked. "Of course, my little baker. And did you know that sharing food with others makes it taste even better?" They packed some warm curry puffs to share with Lily's parents, their hearts full of warmth and the yummy taste of love.
Please subscribe. Thank you.